The souls of the just are in hand of God, and no torment shall touch them. The sin and the pure of the foolish to the dead, and their passing away was thought an affliction, and their going forth from us utter destruction, but they are in peace. For if before men indeed do be punished, yet is their hope full of immortality. Chastised a little, they shall be greatly blessed, because of God tried them and found them worthy of himself. As gold in the furnace, he poured them, and as a sacrificial offerings, he took them to himself. Those who trust in him shall be understand truth, and the people shall abide with him in love. But grace and mercy are with his holy ones, and his care is with his elect. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. In verdant pastures he gives me repose. The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. He guides me in right paths for his name's sake. Even though I walk in the dark valley, I fear no evil. You are at my side, with your rod and your staff, that give me courage. The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. You spread the table before me, in the sight of my foes. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. Only goodness and kindness follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord for years to come.